Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think they said they were going to try to make a sooner day, but the 15th is scheduled, right? For my air conditioning repair?
I haven't received any call from the management company to receive any update from that.
Okay.
As scheduled, yeah, they should call on the 15th.
And so even though it's a holiday, they'll come on the 15th.
Yes,
Okay.
because the repairman is not supposed to take a holiday like that, not like the management company.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if they can't get it sooner than the 15th, at least it'll be the 15th.
So what did the person in charge of your friend?
They said they would just call back if they could get it repaired sooner in a day or so, something like that. I don't know if they'll try calling you or me. Maybe they'll try calling me.
Or if they call me, I will call you to let you know.
Okay.
Okay. So is there anything I can help?
I guess that's about it. Just waiting on the air conditioning.
Yes.
And then I already reported to the police about the other problem, so we'll see about that.
Do you have any furniture
Any what?
inside the apartment? The ceiling?
Yeah, I bought a fan
Yeah.
to help so I don't die from heat stroke. Yeah.
Sorry for that.
Yeah, hopefully the typhoon will come and it will cool down the temperature. I'm hoping it will come.
Yeah.
I'm hoping for the typhoon because it'll bring the temperature down. Most people don't want typhoon. I want typhoon and a gaishimasu. All right, well, have a nice day.
Yeah, I hope so. Oh, yeah, thank you.
All right, bye-bye.